Standing in a cold parking lot at 3 in the morning, with a low tire warning light staring you in the face, is a special kind of misery. You drive to the nearest gas station only to find the air machine is out of order, or requires a handful of quarters you do not have. It is a universal frustration that usually ends with you driving home on a prayer. This is exactly where a specific kind of gadget changes the game entirely. I'm talking about the newest pro version of the portable electric air pump that has been making waves lately. It is one of those tools that feels like a total luxury until the moment you actually use it once. After that first time, it basically becomes a permanent resident in your trunk or your glove box. Think of it as a tiny, battery-powered lifesaver. You just screw the nozzle onto your tire valve, set the exact pressure you need on the bright digital display, and let it do its thing. There is no more guessing. No more checking with a manual gauge every 30 seconds while you freeze your fingers off. The device knows exactly when to quit. It hits the target pressure and shuts itself off instantly. This prevents overfilling, which is a massive relief for anyone who worries about damaging their tires. It handles cars, motorcycles, bikes, and even those random sports balls in your garage. The speed is surprisingly impressive for something this compact. If you just need a quick top-up to get your pressure back to the right level, it takes maybe 2 minutes at most. It is not as fast as a massive industrial compressor at a professional mechanic shop. Not by a long shot, but it blows those cheap, flimsy plastic pumps out of the water. You can really feel the power behind it when it starts humming. Speaking of feeling it, the battery life is surprisingly robust for a portable unit. You can go through multiple tires on a single charge without the device even starting to struggle. You won't find yourself hunting for a charging cable every single time you want to check your air levels. However, it is not all perfect. This thing has some serious weight to it. It is a bit chunkier than you might expect from looking at the photos. You aren't going to slide this into your back pocket and go for a long stroll. It belongs in a dedicated gear bag or the side pocket of your car door where it stays ready. Also, when it gets going, it definitely makes its presence known. It is loud. It is a mechanical, vibrating hum that might get you some side eyes if you are using it in a quiet neighborhood in the middle of the night. Another thing to watch out for is the heat buildup. If you are trying to fill up 4 completely flat tires back to back, the casing is going to get quite warm. You will definitely feel that heat radiating into your palm through the grip. It is a smart idea to let it rest for a few minutes between those heavy-duty jobs. Even with those small quirks, the peace of mind you get is worth every penny. It turns a potential roadside emergency into a minor 2-minute task. You stop being the person searching for a working air station and start being the person who can help a friend in a driveway. It feels solid, heavy, and dependable. The screen is bright enough to read even in direct, harsh sunlight. The buttons have a clicky, tactile response that feels high quality and satisfying to press. It is a tool that solves a very specific, very annoying problem with absolutely zero fuss involved. Once you have it, you will wonder how you ever managed to get around without it. It is the ultimate insurance policy for your daily commute. Having that level of control over your vehicle maintenance without relying on anyone else is a great feeling. It is reliable, fast, and exactly what you need when things go wrong.